Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I got a little box here that I want to show off to you guys. And yeah, so let's just jump right in. Also, why is my hair like this? The heater's running in the background, so you can hear a little bit of it and noise from outside as per usual. The kids are awake, so there's that too. But here it is. Woo, you can already see who it's from. I'm so excited. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. Is a set. Rude. I'm just take them all out. It was a brush set. It was in this little bag right here. What I got, let's start counting them. There's a blending brush. There is a total face brush right here. A foundation brush. An eyeshadow brush. An eyeliner brush. Sorry, I don't know why I said that like that. Lip defining brush. A brow comb and brush. Bronzing brush. Defining eye brush. Concealer brush. A smudge eye sponge. And a lash wand. Oh, a lash and brow wand. It's spooky. But yes. So I believe this is 12 pieces. So yeah, it's a 12-piece brush set, and I'm very happy for it because I need new brushes. And honestly, the blending brush that I use is from e.l.f. and I love it. So these are good. Next, I got the Dewy Setting Mist in Coconut. I've been eyeing this for a while. So, ooh, I broke the box. Oh, well, it's gonna stay out anyways. So. I've been eyeing this for a while, so I'm very glad I got it. Look at this. Ooh, it's so pretty. I want to see if it actually smells like coconut. The one I use right now is the Smashbox Water Primer by Nicole Concilio, and it smells like coconut as well. So I just really love the smell of coconut, apparently. Okay, next, I don't know why this is so small, but it's the HD Under Eye Setting Powder. Like, look how small this is. I was like, why is it so small? It's $3, I think, on the site, but it's small. Like, this is the Under Eye Setting Powder. Look how small this is. It's in sheer, and then it also comes with a little brush, which I think is definitely very cute, but, like, this is just so small. What am I supposed to do? Just, and then on it, I mean, just, I don't know. This is kind of weird, but I'll try it, definitely give it a try and let you guys know how it works. Okay, next up is, this is the Opposites Attract palette, which, ooh, you guys can see me there. I'm so excited for this. Let me just take it out. The packaging. It's so pretty. I'm really excited for this. Let's do a couple swatches. Let's do this one right here. We'll do this purple, right? We'll do this. Should I do this green? Yeah, I'm gonna do this green. And then we'll do black. Okay. Okay, look. Oh, purple's a little, the green's pretty good. I mixed the blue, the black there, my apologies, but the black is actually pretty nice, a lot better than I expected it to be, but the purple looks like it's gonna be a little patchy and a little weird to work. I think the purple's probably gonna be the one that's gonna be a little harder to work with, but I'm definitely excited to check it out. I'm not gonna say nothing because I don't know yet. And last but not least, I got finally the e.l.f. Cosmetics Coffee and Cream Highlighter with Heart Defensor. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love Heart. I watch all her videos. I follow her on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Twitter. She's just so cute and so genuine, honestly, and I don't know. I love her so much. She's just so funny. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Look at us. But then here we go. Ooh. Again, right? Look at how pretty. Okay, let me just. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I love these so much. So I'm just gonna swipe one, swipe the other. Look at that. Oh, oh. Here we go. Look, ready? Oh, let me just do it right here. Look. Swoop and swoop. Look at, oh, so pretty. And I love that it's subtle, but you can definitely build it up. And I absolutely love that because, you know, you want to build up. Some people like really blinding highlights, but me personally, I don't really. I like subtle highlights a little bit more. Like, I like it to be there, but not too much. So I think this is just perfect. It's so beautiful, and I actually got 2 of them, so this is exciting. I might throw this one in a giveaway that I'm gonna be putting together, but maybe not. Might just get another one. But I absolutely love this. This is so beautiful, and I can't wait to show it off to you guys on camera and how it works. So, but that's it for this unboxing, guys. I know it's really short, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. I'm actually very excited about all of it. I have a couple more packages coming in to review for you guys. So please do expect more unboxings and definitely some reviews and things like that, because I'm gonna get on my grind. I'm getting my video stuff and getting a whole camera. You know, your girl's gonna be professional now. I'm gonna find time to record more for you guys. I know I haven't, and there will be a lot more videos. I have a couple more unboxings coming, and definitely gonna be having a tutorial using the Opposites Attract palette, because this is so pretty. I love how neutral and colorful it is. So this is definitely gonna be something I'm gonna be using probably today. So probably make another video, and definitely, of course, using the e.l.f. Defensor. That's such a great name. The Heart Defensor highlighter with e.l.f. in Coffees and Cream, because I love this and I've been waiting to get it for so long. So yeah, I will definitely, guys, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. If you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia, and I want to say I'm an aspiring MUA, but I'm gonna start expanding my channel into more things than just beauty. So it's more gonna be like life stuff. I'm gonna start doing fashion and things like that. So if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia, and I'm just a mother of 2 kids. Yeah, don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see me record or anything, blasey blasey blah, and I don't know, leave me some love down below, and all my social media handles will be down below. Everything is Beauty with Sale, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to check out the description box. Everything I have here will be linked down below. So yes, love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.